Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw a snowman. So first we're going to start out with the hat. So we're just going to draw a straight line and then two lines just coming down. And then we're going to draw the brim of the hat. Like that. And then we're going to put a stripe across the top of the hat. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do the head. So we're just going to come down just like this, kind of like a half circle. And then we'll give our snowman some eyes, so just two circles. And then a sideways triangle, carrot nose. And then some little rocks for the mouth. And I'm gonna give this snowman a scarf because he's out in the cold. So we're just gonna come down like this and just curve around. And then it's gonna make a little wavy lines for the scarf. And then we're gonna add the little fringe on the end. And then we'll have this other one just come down like this. And then go and add the fringe. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do his body. Just gonna come out like this, like just rounded like that. And then the bottom part of his body, just gonna come out like this, and then just go all the way around like that. So we're gonna give our snowman some buttons. And then also some arms. We're just gonna do two little stick arms coming out. And just give him some fingers too. And then on the other side, so we have the scarf there, so we're gonna have to just go up to there and then come further up, and then part of his fingers are gonna be hidden by the scarf, so we'll just have him just like that. All right, so next we'll go ahead and outline our snowman with our black marker. So I'll just go ahead and start here at the hat. And we'll go do his head. All right, so for his eyes, I'm just gonna color them in black. Just make two black circles because they're like rocks, or I mean, typically it's, eyes made out of coal, but I think most of us don't really have coal to use for eyes, so I'm just gonna pretend that they're rocks, and then I just went ahead and colored in the parts of his mouth too. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do the scarf. This one coming out this way, and the little fringe on the end. And then we'll go and do this one. All right, and we'll go ahead and do his body. So we're just gonna come down, and we're not gonna go through that arm because that arm's coming out of the body. So we don't wanna put a black line over that. And then we'll stop here and then go and meet right there. And then we'll go ahead and do our arms too. And the fingers. other side. All right, and then our buttons. And then the bottom part of our snowman. All right, here we go. And we'll go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines, especially these ones right here where we didn't go over the arms with the marker. I want to make sure we erase those. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and color our snowman. So for the hat, I'm just going to make the hat black. So I'm going to use this black marker again. Okay, and I'm going to just color that little strip on his hat. I'm going to color it red. And then for his nose, we're going to do that orange, since it's a carrot. And I think I'll go ahead and do the buttons red as well. Of course, you can make them any color that you want. And then for his scarf, I'm going to use this blue. And then for his arms, we're going to use brown since those are sticks. Okay, and that's how you draw a snowman. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.